If you want to soften the edges of a selection in Krita, feathering is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to feather a selection in Krita step by step so you can create smooth, natural looking edges for your artwork, cutouts, and edits. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Krita tips and software guides. First, create your selection shape using any selection tool from the left-hand toolbox docker. You can use the rectangular selection tool, elliptical selection tool, freehand selection tool, or whichever tool fits the shape you want to work with. The important part is that you already have an active selection on your canvas before feathering it. Once your selection is ready, go up to the top menu bar and click Select. This opens the selection options for your current selection. From that menu, choose Feather Selection. A small adjustment dialog box will appear, and this is where you control how soft the edge of your selection will be. Now, enter your desired radius value in pixels. This number controls the strength of the feather. Lower values give you a subtle soft edge, while higher values create a wider, smoother fade around the selection. If you want just a little blur, start small. If you want a more noticeable transition, increase the pixel radius until it looks right for your project. After entering the value, click OK to apply the feathering effect. Your selection is now softened, even if it still looks fairly similar on screen at first. One easy way to visualize the feathered selection is to add a fill color inside the area. When you do that, you'll notice the edges are no longer sharp. Instead, they blend out gradually, creating that soft blurred edge effect that feathering is known for. This is especially useful for photo editing, blending objects into backgrounds, creating smooth transitions, or making digital art look more natural. Feathered selections can also help when you're working on compositing and want to avoid hard, obvious edges. So to quickly recap, make your selection, go to Select, choose Feather Selection, set your radius in pixels, and click OK. Then test it with a fill color if you want to see the softened edge clearly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Krita tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.